Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead. This one is not in the healthcare field, but it is still non phone. It is customer service, though, but it seems to be all through a ticketing system. So, this job is going to be perfect of those of you who have great customer service skills, but you just don't want to be on the phone talking to people all day. The company ChartHop is hiring a customer support engineer. Now, this is remote. I do believe this is for the United States only. If you're interested in applying, the link to this page is in the YouTube description box below this video. But ChartHop is a company that helps other companies transform the way they manage and support their people. So think like human resources operations. They are looking for a support engineer to help on the technical side. So this is going to be more technical customer service support. You'll be managing the support queue. So I believe that is a ticketing queue for the SMB to enterprise customers. So you'll be basically working with other businesses. You'll manage and triage the frontline support requests that come in from customers, escalating and coordinated with the support and management team when necessary, including on-call support schedule. So on-call does not mean on the phone on a phone call. On-call means you are not actively working, but if you are needed, you are scheduled to come in and work, basically like they call you in when somebody else calls out type of thing. You'll handle customer communications during incidences, defect tracking, bug reporting, and feature requests. So this should all be done online. You just put in a little ticket if you want a feature request for ChartHop, and so you will help work those tickets. You'll assist with Q&A and release coordination of engineer and product, and you'll project manage with the customer success team. Now, they do not require any kind of college degree. They're looking for someone who has an understanding and exposure to technical support in a software as a service company. They want someone who has hands-on experience with Zendesk, Google Suite, PagerDuty, GitHub, and Slack. So again, because of all the words they're using, this makes me believe this is all a ticketing system with no phone calls. They're looking for someone who is excited to work in a startup and has a desire to work with clients virtually, because this is a work from home remote position. Now, the base pay for this job is anywhere from $60,000 a year all the way up to $70,000 a year. They offer bonuses and equity on top of that, and they also include a standard benefit package including medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.